Hey YouTubers, welcome back once again. This video is going to be a special video. Seems Microsoft reached out, wanted me to do a review on, believe it or not, Microsoft Camera. My honest opinion, believe it or not, some honest opinion here. Well, I've been downloading my camera from my it's directly connected to my PC, and it's been going right into the Microsoft camera, which puts it right up onto my PC after I'm done recording. They wanted to know what I thought about how it's working and everything else. To me, it's working out really well. But there's a couple things I wish it would have, like slow motion and fast motion photography. But, you know, I can get another program to do that, but it would be interesting to see them, take and put like something, if we wanted to change the speed of the video, if we wanted to speed it up, look like we're moving fast, or we wanted to slow it down like we're doing a slow-mo kind of thing, that would be perfect. To me, it does photo. You can get a photo shot. You can get video on here. You can review it. It saves it right to your camera roll. It makes it so much easier for a new YouTuber to record their videos directly from their camera to the PC. See, that's the key to it. That make it easy and ready to where it doesn't slow your computer down, it doesn't drag it along. It seems to be working out for me. So I'm going to cut this short. I give Microsoft 2 thumbs up on it, but I'll give you a 3rd thumbs up if you can bring in the slow motion. But anyway, this is my review of the Microsoft Windows camera program that they have on the PCs. It comes built in, everybody, with Windows 10. I'm not sure about Windows 11 yet, but we'll get there. When we get to Windows 11, we'll get there. And Microsoft, you know what, I'm going to tell everybody here up on YouTube, yes, I would recommend the app that you got going on. I did say built in, but it is like an app kind of thing. But I am going to recommend everybody to use the camera portion that's on Windows. So just to let you know, I'm using it myself. It works out great. But, I can't twist everybody's arm to get them to like it. You know how that goes. But anyway, until the next time, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you again.